What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the hard drive on Dell Vostro 330. Lay your computer down and right here we'll have to unscrew two screws. We have one here and one here. Right here and one right here. Once we have two screws unscrewed, we need to take the back plate off. Just slide it to the top. And then pull it out. And right here, behind this cover, this is our hard drive. I'm going to be replacing this hard drive with SSD. We need to unplug power and SATA cable. And then right here, we have multiple screws. We got 4 screws right here. That's actually plate is holding the hard drive. And then we have one screw here and one screw here. These 2 screws attach to the metal frame of the case. Then we can slide the whole hard drive with the metal plate off. And now we just have to unscrew 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. And since the SSD drive is a lot smaller, it's 2.5 instead of 3.5, and I don't have a bracket, so I was able to put it in and only I can secure with the 2 screws and actually attaching to this top part. And now we need to secure a plate with these 2 screws. And that's it. Once this is secure, we can put cover back on. Once the cover is back on, now you can enjoy new hard drive on your Dell Vostro. If this video was helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.